Have you ever opened a jar of honey and noticed that it has turned thick, grainy, or even completely solid? Many people assume that crystallized honey has gone bad or expired, but the truth is quite the opposite. Crystallization is a completely natural process, and in many cases, it is actually a sign that your honey is pure and minimally processed. In this video, we will explore what causes honey to crystallize, the science behind the process, whether it is safe to eat, and how you can easily return it to liquid form if you prefer. Let's begin by understanding what honey is made of. Honey is a natural substance produced by bees from flower nectar. After collecting nectar, bees break it down using enzymes and reduce its moisture content before storing it in honeycombs. The main components of honey are simple sugars. On average, honey contains about 38% fructose and 31% glucose. It also contains around 17 to 20% water, along with small amounts of enzymes, minerals, vitamins, and pollen. Because honey contains more sugar than the water inside it can normally dissolve, it is classified as a supersaturated sugar solution.